Watsons! Welcome back. It's me, Nicole.
And my name is Olivia.
And today we are going to be exploring different ways of eyeliner using different eyeliner products.
Oh, we have so many products. We have liquid liners, gel pencils, anything, you name it, sister.
So if you are interested to see how we get this snatch eyeliner look, then make sure you keep on watching. But first, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here, where is it? Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
So for today, I am using the Hyper Tight Liner from Maybelline. And I'm just going to start from the outer corners and mapping out how far I want to extend my wing. And then I'm going to fill it in with the eyeliner. What's good about this eyeliner is that it's angled, so you can just rest your pinky on your cheeks while you slowly just fill in your eyeliner, like strokes by strokes. Because you can always add on more, but you can't take it away. And now that I have the wing, I am gonna slowly just connect the dots as I make my way to the inner corners. Once you're done with the eyeliner, you can always go back to the outer edges to fix the shape. Because for the typical, very famous, classic Amy Winehouse eyeliner, it's really thick on the outer corners, so don't be afraid to just go bold. Using the waterproof gel liner pencil from Intuit, I am going to line my waterline, both top and bottom. And using another smudger, I'm just going to smudge out the bottom line to smoke out the whole look. This liner is really good for smudging if you're going for that bold, smoky bottom lash look because it doesn't dry out fast. So after you apply it, be sure to use a smudger to smoke it out.
I'm using the Wardah Eye Expert Optimum High Black Liner. Now this liner is a felt liner, which means you can control how thin and thick you want your eyeliner to be. We're going to demonstrate this by doing a double wing. So you can see with the tip, it's very thin, and you can press harder for it to be thicker as you go inside. For the second wing, we're going to draw it slightly higher up. I like to drag it all the way in to my inner corners. And there you have a double wing. This time I'm using the Kate Tokyo gel pencil in the shade black. And we are going to tight line our eyes. So what I do is I use my forefinger and I press to reveal a bit of the lash line. And you actually want to just line the waterline. Now this eyeliner is super pigmented and it doesn't smudge, which is why it's perfect for tight lining your eyes. And if you're the kind that you don't like thick eyeliner, this is the perfect thing for you to do so that you look like you're putting a little bit of makeup on without looking too dramatic. We are done! I hope you guys learned something interesting and something new about eyeliners today.
But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video.
And we will
See you soon!
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click it, do the thing.